Okay, hold on. Nah. Hey guys, Chris Gamer here, and today we're playing Animal Crossing New Leaf once again. Now guys, I know I haven't been playing this in a while, and yeah, I haven't recorded too many videos today, so I'm sorry. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and play. Let's go. So, part 10. Have fun. I actually did some extra stuff to it, but not too much. All I did this morning. So we'll see. Hello there, Merry Chris. And power is Monday, September 14th, 2015, and the current time is 6:55 p.m. Well then, shall we get started? Yes, let's. Wonderful. Let me get you set up. I want to thank you so much, guys, for every liking and comment and viewing all my videos. That really shows that you really care about my channel. Okay, I'll say have a nice day. But, yeah, thank you for watching. Please make sure to do more likes and commenting. Holy shit, mail. It's an envelope. It's from Henry. Dear Chris, you are invited to my birthday party. Date 9/21. Place my home. Present, well, I'll leave that up to you. Henry. Okay. So we're invited to Henry's birthday party. Hot dog. So we're going to need some paper and fuck, I forgot him. Actually guys, this is kind of unexpected because I didn't expect this to happen actually. Hot dog, there's a pin right here in my box. Hot dog. So it's September 9th. Oh shit. The 21st actually, I don't know, let me check my calendar. Sorry about this guy for the inconvenience, so beg my pardons. Come on, tell me don't be a douchebag right now. Come on, tell me, thank you. I appreciate this so much right now. Come on! Oh! I swear to God! We're just gonna have to say 21. We're just gonna say one of those things is 21. So anyways, so let's go back in here, okay. Alright, now, let's, oh! Hello! Those have my name on it right there. It's a perfect apples, man. I want those. So yeah, guys, I haven't doing too much gameplay of this because yeah, I've been busy. I had other things to do in my mind. I had other places to think about. I had to do some yard pickup. Man, you may take a break from recording. Man, I want to stop recording. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm always gonna be recording and forever be it. Oh, hello. Hello there, Chris. Running into you is always a nice surprise. Ooh la la. Okay, that's kind of weird. So, guys, I ain't gonna say that. What do you like to talk about, Chris? Let's chat. The bog off is sorry, you know. Just a little tip, if you want to win, you should start catching bugs now. You didn't hear that from me. Holy moly, a bug off! No way! Oh wait, yeah, I already knew about that, because I learned that from Zach Scott. Oh! Really, this early? Were you the one who put the right here? I'm kind of tempted. Go with the temptation. You think I should go for it? Okay, I'll take the item home, and maybe I'll even pay for it too. Ha ha ha. Hey, I'm taking this one. Okay. You don't mind if I just pay you directly, do you? No, not at all. Of course not. Man, I don't mind paying that. Give me that money. I'm such a lucky. It's my lucky day. Gah. Oh, hello. Hey, is someone bought my? A covered couch belongs to Booney. No thanks. I'm just browsing. But actually, I'm going to ask you to sell something. This. That's cool. And also too, I'm going to also want to sell my net and my no notes. I'll sell this and this. 165 is good enough. Every battle counts, I always say. No thanks, okay. Well, let's go ahead and get out of here. Thank you, come again. So yeah guys, sorry I haven't been making too many videos today. So yeah, I promise tomorrow I'll be making a lot of good videos. Red Dragonfly. Oh really? Man, those are out everywhere. Vegas the bug off is Saturday. Man, I can't wait for Saturday. That's gonna be exciting. Oh, what's that? No, this Saturday is a big bug off. At least almost here. Catch the rarest bugs and go for the gold trophy. Calls for expansion. Due to the store expansion and necessary renovations will be sadly be closed all day. It's on September 15th, Nuclear Junction. November 5th and September 15th is tomorrow. Aww. Oh no! Oh, get me out of here! Get me out! Ew! Uncle! Did I just say uncle? I think I just said uncle. Did I? Yeah, I said uncle. Okay. Let me tell Nuki Junkie what's going on. Because this is effed up. Welcome. Today we're holding a special promo store clothing sale. Oh, you don't know what it means, do you? I apologize for how sudden this is, but we're closing our shop on September 15th. After that, we'll be closed while we remodel the store. I apologize for the inconvenience. We ask your understanding as to become the even better store, the best. I need this net. I'm actually going to need for the bug off today. Oh yeah, not today, but Saturday. No thanks, I'm good. I'm actually good, actually. What's this? A stained glass lamp. No thank you, girl. Thank you for visiting, coming in. No, Nookling. Or Tom Nook, Timmy. I think Timmy is his name. I forgot what his name is. I have played this a long time now. I forgot their names. Oh no. I forgot their names. Okay, sorry. I shouldn't be yelling like that. That's totally rude of me. Thank my parents. So guys, tell me in the comment section what you think of my video of my play of Sonic. If you like it, make sure to click the like button, please. Make sure to leave in the comments section tell me what you think. Actually guys, I'm going to be trying a new thing from now on. For every video that you don't like, I'm going to be recording it anymore. Like that thing happened last time with Poist and that double reaction. I won't be doing that reaction anymore because I just got a dislike. So for each video mostly to get a dislike, I probably won't do that video anymore because I have 100 that you ain't liking it pretty well. Now if a video got that like, then a dislike, then I'll do it. You know, so tells me it belongs to her though, because she looks kind of sad. Sorry, but this is not what is. Well, I'll bet you his Timmy. Is that you, Chris? Out and about this hour? Hey, my book. I couldn't find it anywhere. I guess I dropped it in my own favorites. Thank you for returning this to me. I'd like to give you a little thank you gift. Yeah, I thank you. I totally give you this. It's a mango. A mango? A mango? I better be more careful in the future. I'll drop things way too often, Chimpy. Man, where should I plant this, bro? I think I'll plant it right here, actually. Oh man, I forgot my shovel. Give me the shovel, bro. Give me the freaking shovel. Hey, pretty soon I gotta pay off Nuclear Junction, man. Okay, let me go in the drawer. Where's my shovel? Here it is. Thank God. Thank you, Lord Jesus. And I had that in my dang freaking drawer. Oh, come on! That's effed up, you know. That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up. That's more fucked up and more fucked up. Actually, let's go ahead and plant it right here, actually. There we go. While that grows, we're gonna go ahead and hit some rocks. Let's see if we get a money rock yet. Nope. Okay. Oh, cool. We got a gym though. At least that's a good thing. Hey, 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 hey. It's my. Oh, damn it. Hey, what you doing, you stupid little villager? Yeah, get up, Fossil, baby. Let me check to see. Let's go ahead and move this stuff around a bit. Let's get some lemons. Once you have lemons, you can make lemonade. Now I got the shovel with me. No! No, 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 no. No, no. Hot dog! Hot dog! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Come on! Come on! Oh damn, my phone could be on a roll like that. Come on, show of a net. Ha! I got you! Whoa! An oak silk moth. That's a rarest moth. I mean, a rarest bug. I got me a fossil. I got a fossil in my pocket. I know that sounds totally wrong, and I wish I shouldn't sing that. Actually, guys, I don't know what to do right now. Has that start? No, that ain't a start. Okay. Oh, hold it. Oh, Chris, have you have an awesome mouth, don't you? Yes, I do. I knew it. You seem to be looking everywhere for those. I'll buy it for Sorry, no. Well, never mind. I guess I shouldn't have put you in that spot like that, Chris. Well, I'm sorry, but I just don't want to give away my moth. That's a rarest moth. I'm sorry, but you ain't gonna take it because you want to win a prize so bad. Well, I figure, get a what, man? Get a fucked up life! Woo! Woo! Okay, sorry, I'm at the fucking... I don't know anymore, guys. Let's just go ahead and grab some of these shells and go to the seashore. I'm not even sure anymore. Well, I can't run, actually. Actually, let's go ahead and sell some of the stuff and get some cash out of it. Ow, man, my butt's hurting like crazy. My butt's clutching so bad. I want to sell. That's cool. Oh, hello. Oh, it's you. What do you want? I hope you ain't gonna pick you out last time. Oh, you want this? Well, I wish I had more cash on me for buying stuff. I would take it. I would take every bell in my pocket. And if I spent that much, I can go grocery shopping until tomorrow still. You're right. If I really want it, I'll come back and buy it later. So see guys, I'm more hard than that. It was hard. It's literally hard. So much pain. 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 You want that? This is a common floor here on sale. It's very nice. In fact, I might buy it. Buy it. Well, since you love it so much, I'm sure I will too. Excuse me, I'd like to buy this. Okay. Oh, actually, since you're here, I can pay you directly. Yeah, you better pay me directly. You better pay me physically. Thanks, purely to you. I got a great deal on something I love. Aww. Let's get out here, yo. Thank you for coming in. Yes. Okay. Oh. Well, it's crazy, actually. Yes, it's crazy. Sorry. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, to tell you the truth, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know where I'm getting all these phrases from. I feel like I got some from a movie or something. I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and dig this up. And yet again, a puzzle. Excuse me, guys. I'm so coffee today. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put this moth in the drawer, so that people won't bug me and say, "Hey, Chris, may I take your extra rare moth for a short amount of bells?" Well, I figure my moth is worth much more than that. Well, I figure if you want to give me about 10,000 bells, 100,000 million bells, then I'll say, hell yeah, I'll take it. But as far as that goes, I'm going to sell it. So no thank you, Mayo. I ain't going to take it, sister. So let's see. Let's go ahead and put this in my pocket. And let's go ahead and, what was I going to do again? Oh yeah, we were going to go into the museum, that's right. Guys, I'm going crazy right now. Okay, no, in that tree. That was a waste of time. I don't know why I did that. We're going to go ahead and give this out his fossils. I meant to click the wrong one. I want to assist a fossil, you dummy. Yoo-hoo, ooh-hoo, boo-boo, boo-hoo. Woohoo! Oh! Sorry, I saw Mickey Mouse for a second. Listen to this. This is the best Mickey Mouse voice. Ho-ho! Ho-ho! What do you think? Yeah, I think you like it. Yeah, guys. Let's see, what I was going to talk about again? Ah, fucking damn it. I forgot what I was going to talk about. Actually, guys, I made think about doing a co-op with me and my mom one day, actually. Where we're going to be doing a special kind of a game, but it's not going to actually be a game, more likely a board game, more likely. It may be boring, yes, but it may be something exciting. I mean, Modern Sun, how crazy is that? It'll be awesome in a way, too. And I know some of my videos lately has been getting shorter lately. And I do apologize for that. There's still so many skeletons. Hot dog, yeah! You're awesome, Reese. I'm gonna tell you how nerdy. I don't know anymore, guys. I just want to move on to my life. Okay. Oh, hey, come back here. Haha, I got you now. He saw the light. I love this game, how it has a special phrase. It's so decent. I know guys have been playing a lot of Animal Crossing because it's actually pretty... Oh, hello! Hello! I didn't even plant a peach. Or did I? I'll probably check back in the last episode if I planted a peach. Good evening. The celebrate of the cabbage of the Firefly. Our target is to reach 65 bells. You collected 20. We only about hot dog. Yeah, let's cooperate. We're gonna go ahead and pay out the whole thing. 1, 0, 4, 7, 9. Yeah, we did it, bro. Oh, hello. Who are you? Who are you? I am called Sahara. For my name, I came from far away land. I have many wallpapers for the pottery walls, many carpets for putting of cards for 35 bells. Deal? I guess so. Ah, that's nice. Let's travel to safe. My goods are finally fine. Floors, wallpaper, chubby carpets. Oh, I guess we're gonna want to go into my house, huh? I want him to renovate my car, not my car, but my kitchen. I want to see if he can do some renovation with my carpet. What did he say again? Oh, damn it, my bear's with a dumbass. Don't. Oh, okay, sorry. Ah, this is your price, yes? Oh, I see. Harmony brings ruin to saying yes, yes. No, I said payment of the money. For 35 bells, thank you, yes. Now, my work begins. You will need to wait outside, yes? Just a bit. Please, thank you, yes. You better not destroy my house, bitch. Hey, it's time you destroy my house. Hey! Hey! It's done. Don't like the past. Tomorrow is here. My version is yours now. You will like it, yes. It's very good, or else I'm gonna kick your freaking ass. Holy crap. Oh my God. Am I in a dream? Oh, no, my kitchen changed. No, my kitchen sucks so bad. Oh my. Wow. Okay, my room's still the same. It only just changed the living room. Okay, that's cool. Wow. Wow. That's very impressive, actually. Well, thank you so much there. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go to Tom Nook's and pay him up. I'm going to tell her that I like it. Harmony in peace. Peace is unity. Unity is harmony. I tell this King Nook, he asked me to leave. Hey. That's one of those rare ones. Haha, I got you. Well, let's go ahead and sell my bells and get some seashells. I mean, what the hell? I know, I'm sorry. Beg my pardon for swearing so much. I usually never swear in such instances. Okay. 2. No. Oh, God. 2, 1, 6, 6, 4. Actually, guys, once I'm able to expand my house to at least 100%, I promise I will never do any of these episodes again. There will be no more episodes of called Animal Crossing, New Leaf, or nothing. It'll be all fun and games. But probably by that time, I'll probably have other games to play besides this, I guess. So, anywho, I guess that's all for now, I guess. So we'll go ahead and we're going to save our game. So anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate you ever like, comment, and subscribing. If you want to see more of this, subscribe for more. It really helps a lot on my channel. Anyways, I'll hopefully see you next time in one of my next episodes. Maybe I might do an unboxing. Maybe I might do some crafts. Who knows? So anyways, thank you for watching. And this is Chris Gamer signing out. Bye-bye.